One large takeaway is, especially when we get into procurement, especially beyond market research, even in market research, we can't give you explicit requirements. At least legally, we're not supposed to. And so when you come to the table and we say, hey, we're doing market research, we'd like to talk to you, to Bob's point, put your best foot forward. Show us how you're going to share that threat information. Show us how you're going to be a good partner in risk management. If you do that, it's going to go a long ways, because not many people are doing it right now.
Bob?
The one thing I would encourage you to think about is think about your partnerships. See a lot of people that are trying to be all things to all people, and very rare company that can do that. In fact, I don't know any company that does that well. So look around at the people that maybe there's a little bit of overlap, but they've got some expertise that you don't, and go into these things together. Okay, but have a good story and make sure that your stories are the same. All right, and that means you got to practice, and that means you got to collaborate with one another before you walk in the door. So,
Richard?
I'll just give a last little bit because I liked a lot of what they said. I think the biggest thing is a story, a very quick story. When I was in a position of making program decisions, I had a rep out of Palo Alto, California, fly out to see us. Just super bright person. He came in, he got in front of us because he was well qualified, he was smart, but he lost us as soon as he walked in because he goes, well, you know, can you see yourself sitting in a coffee shop and you're trying to connect into your corporate thing, and this is how our widget would, you know, work in. So he didn't take what he had and impose it into the way we would use it. And we lost him, he lost us right away. I mean, we were done because it's like he didn't understand how we needed to have something work. So speaking in the same language and showing you have a good understanding of how the target customer would use your product is the best way to build credibility, and just be very knowledgeable and demonstrate that you have a command of your industry, not just being a good salesperson.